Y'all saw the football team or nah?
No, I don't want to be in it, but let me go. My friend is a whole fool.
Welcome to Chicago, where our local time is 9:50 a.m.
We were over the water. What, that little Great Lake or whatever it is. I don't know. Michigan Lake.
It's a Great Lake.
Is that real? Michigan Lake? Oh,
Yeah, that is a Great Lake. I don't know what it's called. Michigan Lake?
Michigan Lake?
It's something. Oh. You need to go back to school.
But yeah, we got here. We got really cool. We like Uber pooled here. Chanel's coming in like an hour and a half.
We Uber pooled with a motivational speaker.
Yeah, it was mad. It was cool. It was real cool. And like we had like this other girl in the car too. That was cool. So here's our hotel. Let me go this way. Oh, that's Taylor, by the way. Yeah. So basically, you just walk in, closet, decent closet, whatever. It's cute. It's simple. It's what we need. This is what I'm trying to get in my house. A mirror just like this, but without. I don't think I want like this here. Yeah. This was my traveling outfit or whatever. I look like I listen to bands and go to record shops. Then we got we have our little TV. I might put this on and get right in that bed over there. Oh, this is cute or whatever. I feel like I can put my bare feet on the floor.
Right?
This is cute. What's that shampoo? I call the body wash.
That's okay, I brought body wash.
Okay, because I didn't bring nothing. Well, I'm gonna leave it right there. What's this?
Mine too, because I brought it down. What is it?
Oh, a massage bar.
Ooh.
That's cute. It's not focusing, but
Massage.
yeah, this is cute.
I already moved in.
I didn't bring my face towels, so they got face towels. And they have body lotion, but I'm still gonna go to like the Walgreens or something and get. Wow, I didn't bring a shower cap. I mean, I don't care. It's a wig. I'm gonna be taking it off, but this is some good selfie lighting. See ya. This is just what I look like. And that's the bathroom. And then we have 2 queen beds. And then a little view. Like, it's cute. And this is what we see when we're outside. Like, Chicago views.
Y'all saw the football team or nah? I was like, okay. You saw
What football team?
some Morehouse football team is here.
Stop lying.
Man, I put his right on my shoulders. I put it right on my shoulders and the booty was popping.
Yeah, Chanel outfit.
Wow, look at you. Wow, someone need a picture like right here. Like,
Isn't this place so nice?
wow, that's a bitch, your wig is not on.
Taylor already knew. I came in, looked at the area, made my intro. I said, oh, my friend is a whole fool.
Alright, let me charge my phone seriously.
So we're gonna start off with food. Are we still getting a lunch special or is done?
Oh, I don't know. I don't even know. Because United Airlines tried to play me.
Oh, you took United?
It's $3.49. It's supposed to be our $10.24.
Damn. Well, first of all, you're supposed to be here at like what? Like
10:24.
That was the first one. That was the original.
Oh, I know. And then there's traffic. And then it's a lot of jumping.
Yeah, nobody told you to do that.
My chest.
Me and Taylor ain't do that.
And then they were trying to charge me $70. I said, damn.
$70 for what?
To come here. So I had to Uber Express for $40.
Uber Express, did you share the car with anybody?
Yeah, 2 other people, but they were like right here.
Oh.
Wow, excuse me.
So it was 40 altogether.
$40 altogether for all of you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I How much y'all pay? It was probably not as much.
15 a person. So
Are
it's
you
like
split?
$30. Mm-hmm.
That'd be good. Taylor, I feel like you are back in the bed.
I'm just a little cold.
Very interesting. Well, Chanel's leaving. Morehouse is downstairs. So I don't know about y'all, but I said shit. This. So they are downstairs. I don't know if they was Morehouse, or Morehouse like high school, but whatever. So
Ain't no whatever. Cam, turn the camera off. Cause,
like, from an angle back here, you can't even tell I don't know makeup on. That's how flawless this lighting is, bitch. Oh! Yup.
It's one main course and
This that bougie lighting when you pay that extra fee. We paid for this, bitch.
hell yeah, we did.
When I move out, I'm gonna need a mirror like this. Have me looking good, even when I know I don't.
This is preaching. I'm in the bed relaxing. She
Hey,
preaching.
like, I feel like this was supposed to be like a cute AM outfit, and I'm supposed to find like my business worker, like my lawyer going to his next trip.
In that outfit?
no, it's not.
No.
Like I thought like it looked cute. All right.
No, it's cute. It's not no business outfit.
Well, he was looking for a mobile.
It's a 9-minute walk.
That's perfect.
That's fine. We can sightsee.
You guys,
What?
I brought white nail polish because I did not do my toes.
Is that
I did my fingers. Yeah, it just got all over me, so I'm good.
Is it recording?
Yes.
We're at It's not Giando's. I keep calling it Giando's, but I have my problem at Giando's. Giordano's pizza. Deep dish. Don't look at the dish now because we've been eating, but I took like cute clips before. Yeah, that's all that's happening right now. We're just chilling.
So do you want to be in it?
Yeah, Taylor has to be in it. Yeah,
Sorry, Taylor.
No, I don't want to be in it, but let me post it.
She said drinking my water.
Yo, okay, so we choosing who's finer, Lawrence,
Y'all know how I feel.
Daniel.
He's mine. See, he the type to be too cute to think he cuter than you. The other one, middle one. What's his name? Yeah, no, I think he's humble. That's my.
I feel, yeah.
I love the humble slap.
I think I'm gonna go with Lawrence. It's all on camera, sis.
He cute. Like it's between Sarah, y'all
Yeah,
in the
this
hat.
one.
You in the hat? What about you? Where you going? You going middle? You going middle? I'm on the
Yeah.
tall and the dark and the hair.
Because it was just way too hard. But basically after we went to the whatchamacallit, after we got pizza, we literally just went like up the block to Walgreens and just got like some snacks and stuff like that and a little bev, if you know what I mean, or whatever. And then yeah, I got some drinks. They're over there taking pictures. I'm sitting down because these shoes are not comfortable. I might be one of those girls today that they over there taking pictures. Where they at?
I'm gonna get some of this. Not all.
Did you take it already?
I gotta get closer.
I didn't really take any pictures. I don't know, like I also don't know if I'm gonna wear these shoes tomorrow because the way that I'm already feeling like taking them off, but that's also because I'm just not a heels person, so that could be it. But yeah, we really didn't, we had like a whole itinerary for today, and literally the only thing we did on that itinerary was get food. That's it. Like, and pizza at that. So tomorrow should be more activities. We might go to like a football game. We're gonna do like the sky deck and go see like Millennium Park and stuff, so it should be a lot more casual, which I love because I don't have to wear heels. It's a little nippy, but maybe I'll show you guys like when we go out and stuff like that. But I just want to update you guys on what's been going on, especially because there's like such a huge gap, but there's a reason for the gap. But yeah, so hello Chicago, bye guys.
Life story for like a Zara. I know, right? We from
Libertyville?
New York City. No. So let me tell you my life story for like a quick 5 seconds.
Cliff Notes. Cliff Notes.
Cliff Notes.
Because we only have
So
4.
I lived in Libertyville. I did middle school to high school. Then I moved to New York and did the rest of my high school career. Then I went to Buffalo, met these two my best friends, and now we here in Chicago. But like on her 23rd birthday, huh?
Do you all live here now or just visiting?
No, we're just visiting. We they live in New York, and I just moved to Boston like 2 weeks ago.
Nice.
Right, like we're some grown shit, Greg. Like we
So why the hell you come
done.
over here to celebrate? New York is nice.
Oh no, I love Chicago. So I was like, y'all wanna
Well,
go to Chicago?
no, New York is our home. You don't want to stay home.
Yeah, we don't want to stay home.
It's right there.
New York. It's
Makes
something
sense.
different, something
so
new,
regular.
fresh. Because when I was over here, I was in middle school. Okay, I wasn't 21 yet, so I wasn't out in the clubs. So
And this feels
different.
very fresh.
This is new and fresh for me and for them. So this is cool. Very cool.
New territories are nice.
Yeah, for sure. We all love exploring and traveling, so we're down with whatever, even if it's a quick little weekend trip like this.
Just to see how different people live and what they have, by where they live. Like,
We had a deep dish earlier. You know, you have to have a deep dish when you come to
Horrible.
Chicago. Horrible?
Oh, well, New York pizza is 5 times better.
You think so?
oh,
Yeah,
I
no,
agree
it
with
is.
you.
No, I
I
agree.
agree with you,
But we don't have
because-
deep dish.
I don't even know what people like.
Like our pizza just slices.
I am with you,
It's like
Greg,
a
because when I
upside-
ate
it's
it,
like an
I was
upside-down
all for
pizza.
New York pizza.
Okay, well, Taylor,
And
that's
now,
because
you
you
know
didn't
what?
order deep
That-
dish.
that's
You
very
ordered
different.
a regular
It's
plain ass
upside
pizza.
down, but
Don't do
like-
that.
I don't know. It's just something you have to do when you're in Chicago.
I am all for
Yeah,
my
no, I
dollar
get
slice.
that. I mean, I had some friends from Pennsylvania here.
You got a
They-
plain ass
they had
slice
to
talking
try
about
it,
some why it
but
didn't taste
I
like
don't
New York
like it
pizza
at
because you
all.
didn't get
I
what
had
you're supposed to.
it, and I was like, this is
I love it. I
Upside-down
think it's
pizza.
better, you know?
it's different.
What, sauce on top?
The upside down pizza, yeah. He
It was
saying
too
he
much
don't like
cheese. I'm not gonna lie. Like this was enough for me. Like I don't need it again.
It's just really messy.
Mhm.
it. Yeah,
And
that's,
I couldn't cut my slice
You
at
can't just grab a
first.
slice and enjoy it because it's gonna be dripping all over you.
that's true. That's very true.
But a regular New York style pizza, you could fold it, dip
You
it.
know?
Hello,
Be
he
on
knew
the go.
he knew how to fold it too.
Right,
You
that's
got the
true.
fold.
Mhm.
And then you get all the
Definitely
grease
have to
all
do
over
the
yourself. You look like a fool. So you gotta fold it.
Cut it down a little bit.
That's it. Blot it. Mhm. So you gotta start with the blotting sheets.
I
miss home because of the pizza.
Nice little dollar pizza. The two bros.
Someone out home.
Facts.
Y'all got my phone?
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
You want it?
no, it's fine. I mean, I just want to make sure it's still in the presence of all of us.
Yeah, you lose your phone here, you ain't getting back.
Oh, for real? You think so?
Not getting it back.
Yeah.
Somebody finds a phone on the street, the odds of getting it back are pretty small.
Oh, I got it. Rebuke tetanus in the name of Jesus.
Promise, Lord.
I rebuke tetanus in the name of Jesus. I'm not gonna get tetanus because I got protection, but
Around the whole